You guys, we're doing a breakfast sandwich, a biscuit sandwich with sausage. I just cooked this. I'm about to make the egg. And there you go. A few minutes on this, flip it over. You'll see. So cilantro under there, the sausage is under there, and the cheese is on top, all melted and looking delicious. Yeah. Browned up this biscuit a little more. Yeah, we're gonna top it right now. Check it. There you have it, guys. Breakfast of champions. Yeah. I'm gonna try it. Thing of beauty, this thing. Yeah, look at that. I've never done this before, so kind of excited. Look at that shit. So easy. Man, delicious as hell, you guys. Unbelievable. Especially when you first wake up in the morning. Delicious, man. Look at that. Sausage, cheese, egg, cilantro. Everything it takes to start a good day. Yeah. Unreal, you guys. It's so delicious. I don't usually have biscuits laying around, but I've had a few in a bag for the last few days because I made some biscuits and gravy last weekend. So gotta use them somehow. This is so delicious, man. You have no idea. Alright, thanks you guys. Have a great day. Please smash the subscribe button, the like button, and feel free to leave a comment. I love you guys. Have a great day. Peace.